Didn't see you there. Hey, I'm Ash, and this is What's New. This is the series where we unveil the features in Canva from people who made them. At Canva, we want to empower everyone to design with the content that they need. But instead of being overwhelming, we're making sure that the more our content library grows, the easier content management on Canva becomes for you. Today, we've got some fantastic features to share with you. Introducing full text search, PDF import, and a collection of new folder features. Let's check them out. First up, we have James from our private search team to talk to us all about full text search. Tell me, James, what is it?
The idea is that we're trying to make searching for designs when you don't know the exact title easier by being able to search for any text in the document.
Amazing. Do you have an example that you could share with us?
So imagine you've just created like a report. Let's say it's about pigeons, but you don't know what the title is. Maybe it's got a default title or something. Now, 6 months later, you need to find it again. So when you can search the text, you just type in pigeon and your document is right there and you don't have to remember the title.
Awesome. So why is it so important to our community?
It's really about sort of having the content in Canva be something you can come back to and it lives in Canva and you can find it again and alleviating that pain point.
Cool. Let's take a look.
Awesome. In Canva, you'll be able to search for your designs using the search bar on the homepage. Now you can search for text written within your designs like this. Full text search works just as well on mobile too.
So tell me, how can this make people's workday easier?
It's really about being able to design and then come back and find your designs later and build on top of it.
Well, this is super exciting. Thanks so much for coming on the show today, James.
Awesome. Thanks for having me.
Next up, we have Henry from the Design Import team, Senior Developer. What are you here to share with us today?
Well, my team released a feature that enables our community to turn PDF files into Canva designs.
Oh, so now you can turn a boring PDF into something fun and engaging?
Definitely. Let me show you. Using PDF import is super simple. Just drag a PDF straight into the homepage, just like this. Once it's finished importing, click on it to open the editor. Now you can edit PDFs just like any other Canva design. Have fun.
Wow, I never knew that dragging and dropping a PDF could be so quick. What's next?
Well, my team is working on some popular formats. Some of them may surprise you.
Wow, great. Thanks so much for coming today.
Thanks for having me. Stay tuned.
Finally, we're here with the lovely Brielle from the content management team. Tell us, Brielle, what are you here to share today?
I'm here to share features that help our community find and organize their content in Canva.
How exciting! Can you tell us what those features are?
Yeah, those features are list view, grid view, and sorting across all pages and folders.
Great, can you show me how it works?
Absolutely.
Awesome.
Canva has just rolled out new grid view, list view, and sorting across the homepage experience in Canva. Grid view gives you more info about your designs, like the design type and when it was last edited. List view lets you quickly browse lots of content in one place, so you can find what you're looking for fast. Each of these new views comes with the ability to sort alphabetically and by date added, so you can see your content whatever order suits you.
Wow, the community are really going to find these features helpful.
Definitely, we want Canva to become the hub for all of their content.
Well, thanks so much for coming in to share those wonderful features, Brielle.
Thanks, Ash.
I would like to thank James, Henry, and Brielle for sharing all of the new features on Canva. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of What's New. Let us know what your favorite features were in the comments below. Wow, I never knew that you were meant to close it.
That's all right.
All right, first up we have James. Tell us, what are you here to tell us about?
So I'm here to talk.
Yeah, I actually do want to practice opening, because we'd be like. So just kidding, that's not how I open computers.